Hello guys, welcome to Visual Food Hub. Let's do this cheesy egg curry. Add butter into the pan and let it melt in the heat. When the butter is melted, crack and add the eggs one by one. Add some salt. Add Gouda cheese to the eggs. And fry the eggs. Flip the eggs to the other side. When the eggs are well cooked, separate them onto the plate. Now add the onions and green chili to the same pan. Use the remaining butter in the pan. If you want, add more butter or oil to the pan. Add some bell pepper, curry powder and also some curry paste. If you don't find curry paste, that's totally fine. Also add some tomato sauce. If you have fresh tomatoes, use them instead of tomato sauce. Now mix it well. Add water and cook for 10 minutes on medium heat. Now add the prepared eggs into the curry and mix well with the gravy. Add some basil and mix well with the curry. Some Nigella seeds. That's it guys, cheesy egg curry is ready. You can adjust the ingredients according to your taste and what you have. It's worth giving a try. Share your thoughts in the comments and don't forget to follow us.